Okay, welcome to my MERN Stack Series 21, and in this series, let's go ahead to the redux and I will show you Post CRUD, and let's change the stacks to the redux. Okay, in the previous series I will already explain about the redux, but maybe my voice is little slow because at this little small because at this time very dark night, and so that's why I talk very quietly. So I will explain again. Don't worry about that. Okay, Redux is what? Redux is a kind of JavaScript kind of coding standardization, and it actually intended for reducing state and intended for the performance. It's really the good coding standard, and it can be used with many other library like React or Vue or maybe something like this. Okay, but React and Redux is a very nice couple, and by combination of two is really amazing performance you will see, and I really love this. Okay, let me explain again. Okay, what is React? Redux. Let's check the photo. This photo is very quite easy to understand. Okay, Redux is whenever we change the view, is go to the agent, and agent took data from the server by using EXO or something like Aegis or like this, and then it data sent to the reducer. Reducer is something like models, which is our data for the views, and then the reducers are saved to the store, which data returns from the agents. Reducer accept this data and save to the store, and the store the view input the store data and show in the view. That's all. How easy Redux. So we need to do Redux in like seven steps. Okay, we need to install this npm install like this, and we need to install this also, and in index.js we need to import this, and react.render replace with this. Okay, and then we need to create a store. Okay, by this codes, and we need to create reducers, and then actions. Okay, that's all. Now we are already set up from the previous tutorial, and now we can start now. Okay, let's change this page. Okay, let's change this page to Redux. This data can get with Redux. Okay, that's really amazing. Okay, to change this page, let's go to the post page. This is post page, post.js, and in this we are no longer using state anymore in this page, because Redux is stateless and it's more performance than state. Okay, and then okay, whatever, we don't need to do this. Exo can't post. Okay, maybe it will need another, and as soon as you need to do this. Okay, and the tab row is we are no longer using state anymore, and then return post. Okay, let's change this page to the Redux. Okay, think with the Redux logic. Redux, what do fast? Okay, let me show them because error. Okay. Redux is a kind of Redux logic is I already explained it right here, and okay, right here and click event, go to the action, something like this. So in this stage, component did not go to the actions, isn't it? Of course. So in post.js, and component did mount, and something like all success is really same with component did mount, because we are done with middleware in the previous tutorial. Okay, in all success, get data. Get data is something like it should be in the actions. So let's change this to the actions. So okay, whatever. Get data, save this, and then in the action.js, redux, actions, index, and is get post. Not really get post is okay, get post. It should go to the actions, and the actions get post other. Okay, it should be like this. This kind of login user is can come from this parameter. ID is ID. Okay, so we can pass the data. ID. Okay, and then this is the actions, should be the action name, and we need to import this action. Okay, let's import this. Import this action, this function need to import. Import get post. Okay, from slash, I think dot slash, and then redux, and then actions. Okay, index is no need. Let's import this, and then we can just call in this. All this function, just call this get post. Okay, but we can call like this. We need to connect first. View and actions need to be connect. So to connect, we must use connect from redux. Okay, after connecting, and then we need to write a little code right here, which is constant map state to props, map state to props, and then is equal to the state. It is kind of function, and return. Okay, this is something like this is getting the data from the reducer. Okay, the data from the reducer is, which is reducer dot index dot post reducer. Okay, this data need to be get in our page. So this is kind of connect with the reducer. Reducer first. After reducer connect that, and we are let's connect with get post more. Okay, so the reducer data going to this post, and which will be state dot we can call like this, state dot post reducer. Post reducer, okay, dot and post, which is post reducer post, and then I will show the steps. Return is something wrong. Okay, this is finishing connect with the reducers and our view is a kind of component. And then we need to connect with actions also. So to connect with actions, we need to write in here. So export default connect and map state to props, which is connected with reducer, and then need to connect with get post also. Okay, after connecting is finished, we should export post. Okay, that's all. So now we are connected to the reducer and actions also. Okay, now we can do, and we can call by props like this, and we can call like this dot props dot get data. I think it should be get data. Okay, get post. This dot props dot get post. This is kind of calling actions, and then it'll go to the right here, and it the ASUS. Okay, let me provide the steps. Okay, in the step 1, we are calling action. Okay, and then in the action, okay, redux step 2 is getting data from server, and the next step is after getting the data, we need to the data pass into the reducer. Reducer is that what we written it right here. Okay, and then post reducer view post. This keyword is connect with this. So dispatch view post main is going to right here case view post, and then this return to the post right here, and then this post is saving into the store, which is our one big JavaScript object. So this should be the redux step 3. Saving into store one big JavaScript object, and then okay. So after saving to the store, we can get from right here. This should be the step 4. Step 4, getting data from store and connect with view like this. Okay, that's all we need. So this data can be used. We no longer using state anymore. Just use the post, and then this user can be used as this dot props dot post. This might be the props dot post dot map function is the same. Okay, maybe I think we need get post is parameter we need is state or login user. No state. Props dot login user is come from the middleware. Our middleware of middleware. This is login user. So it's right here, and the get post is okay. I think it's right. And run again. Okay, that's because this function not calling from the middleware. Of course, because we are connected with so the only web state you process and can post and the only needed data only retained. So this all success cannot be called from other. Okay, but let it be. This move to the component did mount, and this no longer need, and get data also no need. Okay, I think so. And then that we need to do in the first stage. Okay. Okay, right now. Oh, it's great. Where is the LED coming now? The LED is what? I think. Where is that LED? A LED. Oh, because in the index.js we show the LED. Okay, but I think the data retrieved are all data. I think yes, all data comes out. Only the login user data need to come because this ID is now. So I think in our Post.js something might be wrong. In our Post.js is get post and then okay, this component did mount before our middleware mount. Our middleware, it should be our middleware is ran, and after getting the data, this component should be mount. So I have the logics. The logic is about if we also catch this, and then we are going to pair like this, no off like this, and then in the return we should go to the function inside this div. This function is about show child like this, and then show child is right here, and show child is only if we have state dot okay, login state dot login user. Okay, not equal now. At this stage we return this component. Okay, I think it should be right. Let's check. Okay, it's right now. So that's all. It's really easy. Okay, so now our redux way of listing is finished, I guess. Let's check our post.js. Of course, we finished. Okay, after changing redux to post listings, and let's go ahead to delete post change to the redux way. It's really simple and awesome. The coding is really standard. I will show you. Okay, this delete post should be go to the index action index. Okay, let me drag here, and then we should go to the go to like this dot get dot pros, and let me do this dot pros dot delete post, and then this delete post is get from the redux actions. This delete post is get to the actions. So the little trick in redux post is redux post should be compatible with a sense function, a sense and await it should be used in redux post. Okay, so a sync delete post id, so this dot pro dot delete post, and then this id also add, and we need to wait this function by using await, and the return data should be return data, and then we can get data return data counts data dot message equal deleted if it's deleted, and then we need to do it again, get post again. So okay, that's all. The way is like this, but we need to write delete post function in index. Okay, this is something like export function delete post is id, and then we need to return esync function, but we don't need dispatch in right here, because dispatch only need in a get post and only need to store data. Delete post is we don't really need to store data anymore, so just use empty parameter. Then okay, esync is like this. Let process and try rest equal await something like api.post should be going to remove false, remove let me copy paste. Okay, remove post. Okay, that's all, and then we need to catch data. If the catch error is going to the reset, and this reset should return here. Okay, that's all, and then in the post return again and return data dot message not really equal as we need to show alert no, let something error like this, and then console log return data. Okay, that's all we need. So this delete post should be connected in right here. I hope it's pretty fine. Okay, let's check out. Let's check the error. Nothing error. Okay, all are working fine. And delete this. Okay, that's what's delete. It's really awesome, you know. So our redux way of listing is something like get, and in post something like delete post is something like post, and this two are finished. I think it will figure out enough what redux is, and I hope you all doing to the change to the redux to the home page and register page, and all change to redux like this page. I hope you can do it, because you are really figure out what the Node.js and React.js at this time. if you are watching my previous video, I suppose you can do it, so just try it. So let me finish my video series, and I really thanks for the end. Thanks for watching to the end of my videos. Okay, I really enjoy for making video, and I also hope to doing some video like AWS and something like this I have planned. Okay, see you in my next videos, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.